Welcome back, everyone. I've been working on a bit of a thing for, I guess it would be a tutorial that kind of walks you through what you need to do and kind of gives you an introduction of what to expect and how some of the things to work, including on some of them there's hints uh, like a yellow or amber-ish area that lets you know that the weapon or the other thing is capable of detecting you and possibly moving towards you. It's on a gun up there. And then the red zone, the weapon not only can detect you, but that weapon can also um, perform hostile acts. In other words, it can attack you. We have some waypoints and notice points and mission points, or whatever you want to call them. Just quickly put them in, and we're going to see them going here. Now, for the sake of keeping this quick, I have the ship still in cheat mode, so it has its self fully kitted up. So I'm going to do a quick run here, and when you do this tutorial, normally you won't have all the extra missiles and stuff and that. So I'm going to try and just use the main gun, but my drones are going to go too because I don't want this to take too long. So this is pretty much what we can look forward to. Again, it's going to load. Um, it's going to start right now randomly on any level, but we want to go to the tutorial option. Okay, so we're here. The little lasers detect some of these targets or these waypoints as, excuse me, it thinks they're targetable things, but these ones here, so you move here, so it's just making sure that the new players learn how to move. And you see this one here, shoot this 3 times. Okay, well, 1, 2, 3. Now, you have to shoot with the player-controlled main gun. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And explore this way. Shoot any enemy you find as you go. Good luck. Well, this is an introductory to your first enemy. It's just a little ship. Oh, the arrows say this way. Now this violet line here is a training area marker, but some of the things are collidable, so they'll keep you where you should be. So we got a little bit of a collision area kicked in here, but yeah, so the little breadcrumbs or arrows move you along. So explore this direction. Warning: there could be enemy guns. Good luck. Right now, it's nothing, but a default ship could actually have a problem with a gun. So we're in the warning zone. So if you're looking, that gun is going to track us in the warning zone. But of course, you step in the danger zone, it can shoot you. But I brought my little guns, so my little guns can take it out. But the player main gun is capable of sniping from that distance. You don't want to explore too much. There is some nasties hidden around the map to deter the nosy and the cheaters. Well, there isn't really cheating, but we'll get to that later. Explore this direction. Warning, there could be an enemy missile. Enemy missile. Oh, I must have typed something funny on that. Q. Yeah, I tried to select while it was in a text box. I'll have to fix that. Anyhow, this reddish zone tells you that it becomes deadly the moment you come in. But I have anti-missile lasers on board, so a single laser turret isn't going to bug me. Okay, so we got some more life. Another little ship to harass you. Now, there's some more life here. It's very generous with the life down here. Okay, again, what's this sign say? Explore this way, you will find a boss. Good luck. Okay, so there's the boss. Now I'm going to take him out. Now here's to destroy the boss to shut off the field. Okay, so we have an energy field. We can't get through that. So we know, oh, can get through the energy field. Move here to finish. Boom. Now, I'm just going to exit there. When you move through that field, some of the triggers are actually like state switches in the game. And that one just happens to be win, and right now win automatically throws you back to a random level select. So that's where it's at. So we have playable mission levels. This one is done as kind of like a micro tutorial or learn how to play it. In this mode, you can sort of see where the basic collision polygons are put in and how the wall sort of works here. So we've got the electricity beam things, and there's actually a collision shape on top of that. And when you, in these beams are watching for the presence of this boss. The moment this boss disappears, these beams shut down. That trigger could be anything else depending on how I set up the signals later, because Godot uses signals, but right now I'm actually checking for him by name. It's a bit slow, but I'm only checking once a second anyway, so it's no harm. I could make that longer. Anyhow, that's where it's at. If you like this kind of thing, stay tuned, and you obviously do because you're still watching. Anyhow, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.